In this episode, we're going to be talking about my process of beginning a journal. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Jeremy Kirsten Show, where every episode we talk about business, entrepreneurship, investing, and personal growth. Today we're going to be talking about journaling and my process of beginning a journal. What really inspired me to start a journal was watching Clark Kegley and his channel Refusing to Settle on YouTube. It's a pretty good channel, go check it out. And he talks a lot about the benefits of journaling and just kind of, really has actually like an entire course for you to go and learn how to journal and all that stuff if you want to. I haven't taken his course, but I did buy the journal that he recommended, the Pentalic. It's actually a really nice journal. I'll show you that here in a second. Also, I kind of just went off of some of his tutorial videos on kind of how to start the journal, and I'll show you that here in a second as well. And the whole reason why I'm starting this journal is because I want to have a way of expressing my ideas, writing them out, thinking out my thoughts, putting it all out on paper, organizing everything to where, whenever I want to kind of come back to it, I can just start up exactly where I left off last time, have all the ideas right there fresh, and have a way of tracking my progress as I grow towards my goals and try to hit new achievements. So this is the journal right here that you can get from Amazon. I'll put the link below. It's a Pentalic, and it's really sturdy. I like it. It's got a good binding, really good paper. Inside, the front cover, and this front page is going to be all the inspirational quotes and big ideas that I like. So I just put stay focused real big right here, so when I come in, I can always remember, kind of ask myself, am I being on top of my goals or not? And have one of my favorite quotes, as a man thinketh, so he becomes, right here at the top. I'll add a whole lot more other quotes here. The back binding here is like the areas of 2020, right? Next year that I want to improve in my life. So work, YouTube subs currently, whenever I wrote this, it was 831. And by November, I want to have, 900, and by the end of the year, 1,000. And that's a huge goal for me because that's when I can begin to monetize and begin to make money off YouTube. I'll be very excited for that. And grow the income going forward next year. And ways I'm going to do that, right? So what are my ideas for the show? Provide value, interview some guests, tutorials, thoughts and motivation, readings from some of my favorite books. Some other goals I want to do is begin to sell on Amazon by the end of the first quarter. Personal brand merch line, some items and stuff coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Find the best supplier. Find a podcast mic, find a new logo for the Jeremy Kirsten Show. All of these things are actually kind of quick things I can do, but just writing it all out is a nice area to start and kind of plan and go forward. Rest and grow area, I'll write more goals here, but right now I've got to read at least a book a month. I'm working on ClickFunnels, .com Secrets by Russell Brunson. Awesome book, check it out. And we'll go check this off, at least with one book in 2020 a month. Play, this is where I'm gonna write some areas of places I wanna go visit. I'm thinking about putting 4 different vacation, just small vacation stuff for let's say a spring vacation, summer, fall, winter vacation, small ones with the family, just big family time kind of things, and other just fun activities I want to plan out there. I got a couple financial goals and stuff that I'm going to put right here, things I want to save up for, things I want to save, or areas I want to cut back on, I'll write in here. I still need to work on this area. So this is new to me, and let's see, in here, private labeling, some notes I took on private labeling for FBA, right? So I'm going to use this area for just anytime we go to a seminar, watch a good course, or learn something. I'm going to be taking this with me and writing notes in here to come back to later. Some things I need to work on for the personal brand. I need to get together an email newsletter, so look forward to that coming soon. The website I already have, I just kind of wanted to write it down. Domain I already have. Now the bait and offer, this is kind of like a, as you see all the time, get a free little take a quiz, blah, 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 blah. A lot of that's gonna be for the email newsletter because I need to get, capture emails, right? And I'm gonna be doing some more videos and stuff on all that kind of stuff, on newsletters and all that kind of stuff going forward. That's a while, that's definitely a ways from now, but it'll eventually come. Product service, I need to get more specific on this for sure, on what I really want the Jeremy Carson Show to put out. Digital courses is definitely gonna come. It's a matter of exactly what and when. Tees and stupid, silly hats and stuff, I'll produce that pretty soon, in the first part of 2020, at least. Again, a lot of this needs to be still written out and much more specific. Still need to get the DBA, PayPal, Stripe for the business, PO box, and the new logo again. So this is kind of what I've got going on so far. It's gonna be a really fun year coming forward. This, I think, is gonna help me move forward a whole lot faster in this business, and definitely I hope you're excited as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what 2020 brings. I think journaling and writing out my goals and continuing to get back in there every other day is just going to be an excellent way for me to stay focused, stay on top of what I want to do and accomplish. And I hope you stick around and watch me grow and grow with me. And I hope that you start journaling as well if you haven't already. If you have, or have some experience, or have any tips or anything, let me know it down in the description below. I really want to know any kind of advice that you have or any comments that you may have. Also, if you like content like this and you haven't already, please subscribe by smashing that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each time we upload a new episode. And I plan to do, new videos weekly. Should be more, might be more. Why don't you subscribe and find out? And until next time, take care.